Here at Cylchmeithrin gyda Hw yn Brynithol, we've got 28 children on the books between AM and PM. My youngest child, Lucas, came to the Meithrin. He started when he was 2 and he's had a wonderful experience here. His Welsh language has progressed to immense amounts. I was so proud of how much he learned while he was here that I just could not pass up the opportunity of him moving on to a Welsh school and going to Brohelig.
About 3/4 of the children in the school travel on the bus. They come from all over the valley really, from Tredegar to Abertillery, Cwm, Ebervale, and they travel just for the Welsh language really because it's so important to the families.
When he was due to start, I did have large panics about him going on the bus. He'd never been anywhere without me, but the bus company and the school put my mind at ease. He's always got a regular driver on the bus, always the same chaperone. He's got lovely bonds with them.
When Lucas gets to school, he's just so happy, so confident, and with the Welsh as well, he's just taking it all in. Anything we ask him, you know, he understands a lot. He's just benefiting so much so early, as he's like a little sponge, just taking everything in. With Brohelig, the building is lovely. The facilities we've got here are fantastic. We've got plenty of ground around us. We're having a new outside area now in the new academic year. It's just really exciting. It's just a lovely school to work at. The staff are friendly, the children are happy, and the parents seem happy too, so we can't really ask for much more.
I think I've given Lucas an amazing opportunity to have English and Welsh as part of his vocabulary. My older children, they attend English medium school, but I just felt that Lucas needed that extra opportunity with his Welsh language, and I didn't want to squander that opportunity that he's picked up the language so well in Meithrin to not allow him to progress through Welsh medium education. The school is wonderful. The bus journey is not a major thing. It's an extra part of their social life.